Okay, let's put some tape on here first. And we'll put some on here. Alright. Let's start this coupler on here first. And then we'll put this on here. I think we'll just tighten those together. So we'll tighten that right there. Let's tighten this part separately. Let's see if we get more out of it. Let me try this a little bit more. Make sure it doesn't leak. Okay, let's get the pump, and we got to make this hose. So I'm going to crimp one side with the Chinese crimper, and then I'm going to crimp the other side with a Deco crimper, and we'll just compare the two. Okay, this is the pump I've been using on the Deco. I bought this a while back, so we're going to try this on this crimper, see how that works. I'm going to turn that just a little bit. It seems to be a little bit too close there. That's better. Okay, gives me a little more room. Now we need to figure out which die we need. Okay, so I think that the way we're supposed to do this is we're supposed to measure the hose diameter. Can't find my calipers, so This will make a good caliper, I think. And then we'll just measure with a tape measure. Does anybody agree with that? Hope so. So we are going to go from the 10, 21 millimeters. So we go here, 21 millimeters is die set 19. Okay, 21 millimeters is die set 19. So let's get that out. And that's labeled 19, so I'm assuming that's it. I think the manual shows a number for the dies that's different, but we'll go with this for now. We'll just see. Okay, let's put these in the machine. And these all go in here. Let's see if they're directional. Oh, they go in either way. Just make sure they're all the way in. Has some kind of a stop back there that keeps it from going any further. So okay, one thing I see that's going to be kind of fun is that this has got a 90 on it, and so luckily the other side has a straight, so we'll put the hose through. And then I think we've gone over this before, but you want to make sure your hose is all the way in. So I usually just mark it with my fingers. So it looks like it should go about there. And it is. Okay, let's get some air to it. Okay, gotta make sure the hose is all the way in. And let's just try it. Okay, looks like we're at 4,000 on the pressure. Let's let it off and see how we did. Okay. Now I know I can get the hose out. It looks really good. Let me see if I can get the hose out by taking the dies off. If not, then we'll have to take it out the other side. But that's an important feature, because if you're doing one with two 90s, you got to be able to get it out of the machine. So let's see how that goes. Oh, good. See? So that's a pretty good crimp. I think I like that. Now we're going to try it with the Deco machine and see how that goes. Okay, so this is the Deco machine. I actually keep calling it a Deco, but they used to be called the Eatons, and I think Deco bought them out. This is the die we use for that. This is a 1/2 inch die, and the limit collar that we use to make sure the crimp is where it needs to be. So let's set this up and we'll see how it goes. On this one, it's good to lube this anvil to make sure that the die slides correctly. So let's get this hose in here. Let's see how this crimp comes out. We'll compare the two. Again, check to make sure that your fitting is all the way in, and it is. So we want to put this hose in here. Let me slide this out to the edge more. Give me the access I need. Okay. Okay, I think we got enough air now. And just go till the limit ring bottoms out. Okay, this is the one with the Eaton or Deco, however you want to call it, and this is the one with the Chinese crimper. I don't know if one's any better than the other. They just look a little different. I kind of like the fact that this crimps a little further versus this one is narrower, but I'm pretty sure that either way they're going to hold. So there you go. The little Chinese crimper, I think it's worthwhile. I don't know how long it'll last, but I've got a few hoses to make, so we'll find out. Definitely have some 3/8 and 1/4 inch stuff to make, and probably some 1/2 inch, so we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.